Are you looking for a mini mirror to make sure that your skin is on point, to make sure there's no crust in your eyeballs, to make sure you got your lip gloss on right, and for the men to make sure that hair is brushed real great? Well, we have the Mate Light Mirror, M-A-T-E, Mate Light Mirror. Now I love this mirror. It's easy to put together, it's easy use. So it rotates, of course. You could rotate it here. So, you could rotate it. It takes batteries. I believe it takes AAA or AA. It takes AAA batteries. Yes, it takes AAA batteries, if you could see there. So it takes AAA batteries, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 AAA batteries. So, and then all you do is, you see this little line down here? All you do is just tap that, boom, the light is on. So if you're using this mirror and you need an extra lighting, like if you're doing your makeup or your hair or just quick lip gloss, like I said, or just want to check yourself to make sure you're a-okay, then you need this mirror. If you need extra lighting, here you go. And then you just tap that and it'll turn off. That is really easy and simple. It is flippable, so you could flip it around, so you don't have to turn the whole thing around. So like if it's like this, but you're facing, like if it's sitting like this and you want it to face towards you, all you gotta do is just flip it like that and flip it back. That's really quick and easy. It's really easy to put together as well. So to put this Mate Light Mirror, M-A-T-E, light mirror together, all you got to do is just unscrew the bottom. Bingo. That's it. You just have to unscrew the bottom. So this is the only 2 pieces that it comes with. You don't have to unscrew this. Like, this is just 1 piece. All of this is just 1 piece. You don't have to unscrew this or anything. I mean, it does unscrew, but you don't have to necessarily unscrew it. You just have to screw this and this on like this, and you just push it down. I mean, you could push it down or you could screw it on, however you want to do it. Yeah, push it down a little bit and then screw it on. So when you screw it, you want to hold it by the thing and then just make sure it's screwed on good and tight. Yeah, it shouldn't come apart. Like, I mean, I know it don't look tight because it's opening right here, but I could probably screw it a little tighter. But I know it may not look screwed on good because it's like a gap right here, but it is screwed on good because, as you can see, it's not going anywhere. But this is really handy, like I said, for just a quick glance. As you can see, it getting a little dirty, so you could clean it like normal. Sometimes for a quick glance, I just use my shirt to clean it, or you can use a little Windex. I don't know if Windex or glass cleaner would work because of the light right here, but you could try it and see. And then down here where the little circle is, you could put whatever you want down here. You could put your earrings. You could put just something small that'll fit down here that you might need on a daily. Like, I don't know, maybe some makeup brushes, your earrings. For men, I don't know, like your ring band, your rings, just whatever small you could find to fit down there. Like right now, I don't have nothing small. Like, I could put these earrings I have on down here. So just whatever you have small that'll fit down here. And that's about it. I mean, it's pretty simple. It might be on the TikTok shop, but I did get off of Amazon because, like I said, I got it for my birthday. So you could see if it's on. And it's funny because I could see myself recording in the mirror. Like, I'm holding it like this to show you guys the mirror. But if I look into the mirror, I'm sitting here, I'm like, oh my God, I could see myself in the mirror. Look, like, it's just so cool to sit here and look at the camera, like look at the camera to talk to y'all. But if I'm looking through the mirror, if I'm looking in the mirror like I am now, I can see myself, which is pretty funny. So This mirror comes in handy. As you can see, this mirror comes in handy. You know, it spins around, so you don't have to pick up the whole thing and, you know, turn it around. Because you know how some mirrors are where you have to pick up the whole thing and you have to turn it around because it's not going to be flippable like this one. Like this one is flippable. So you don't have to pick it up. So you don't have to pick the whole thing up and turn it all the way around. And that's really it. It's easy to use. Like I said, it just takes your AAA batteries. I believe it just takes your AAA batteries, and then it's just on touch right here. Once again, as you can see there, it's just a touch. Light comes on, touch, light come off. It's not gonna come off and on automatically. You have to literally touch that button there for it to come on and off. But I like this little mirror. Like, I be using it daily, if not every day, daily, because I'll use it, like I said, to put my lip gloss on if I'm leaving the house. I might like use it to check my hair, so I'll go in the bathroom and do my hair, and then I'll come back and lay in my room and look in the little mirror just to make sure my hair's laid down good and everything like that. So it's just pretty handy if you just need a quick mirror for a glance, and you don't have, and you know, like if you're trying to hurry to leave the house, like if you want to hurry up and check yourself to make sure you look good, then you could use this, you know, just technically just if you need to look at yourself basically to do your hair, makeup, accessories, etc. But I do lay this on my little white, I don't know if y'all noticed my little white banner in my room that sometimes be behind me in my videos, but I have like a little white shelf in my room, and I put this on my white shelf so that way when I need it, I just go over to my white shelf, look at myself, put my lip gloss on or whatever. So store this somewhere where you know you're gonna use it the most. So like if you're gonna be in the bathroom the most, you could put this in the bathroom with you and turn on the light in the bathroom light for extra glow. It also works in the dark, which I'm not gonna film in the dark, but if you go in the dark, the light does work a little better in the dark. So if you go in the bathroom with it and you turn off the light in the dark, if you turn off the light and shut the door where it's completely dark in the bathroom and turn on the light like I did, it'll look way better because it's not a glare. Like right now, it's not a glare. So if you do, I don't know if you could see yourself doing your hair and you're in the dark, but if you do, you want to use this in the dark, like if you're going in the bathroom to use it to do your hair or makeup or whatever, and you don't need a lot of light, then you could turn off the bathroom light and turn on this little light to do your hair in the dark. It's just something I wouldn't recommend doing because like, oh, it's dark. So I'll just turn this on for like extra lighting, and then I'll turn it off. But overall, this is they came up with a good mirror. Like, this is a good small compatible mirror if you don't want them big vanity mirrors. You know, the big vanity mirrors that you can not hang on the wall, but lean against the wall. So if you don't want a big old vanity mirror in your room or anywhere like that, and you want a little small mirror, this is your mirror to go to because it's small. All it does is 6 batteries, AAA batteries. It's rotatable. It's just one touch of a button on, one touch of a button off. It's easy to put together. Like, I really do recommend you getting this mirror because it is easy. When it comes in the box, of course the batteries don't come in the box. So you have to get, so the batteries come back here. So you just lift this little flab up right there, which I'm not going to do, but you'll lift this little square and put the batteries in. The batteries, it doesn't come with batteries. So you have to provide your own batteries, but I think it says on the box what type of batteries it comes with or it uses. Like I said, I think this is AAA batteries in here, if not AA. So all you got to do is just provide the batteries, and it's easy to put together, and that's really it. So when you get it out of the box, it's going to come like this. When you get it out of the box, it's going to come like this. Because mine came in a box, and when I got it out of the box, it came like this. So all you got to do is just put this on here like that, push it down, maybe screw it a little bit to make it tight, and boom, that's it. Like I said, well, easy use, easy put together. All you need is batteries and you're well set. Well set and ready to go. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think about this little compatible mirror? I guess you could unscrew it if you don't need the stand. Like if you just want to hold it for, like if you don't need the stand, if you just want to, like if I wanted to unscrew this, so if I wanted to unscrew this, but I don't need the whole mirror, I just need it for like a quick look at myself, then you could use that as well and just screw it back on. So like if you don't need like the whole mirror, and you just need to hold it up so you can get a quick glimpse at yourself, you can do that as well. And then you can make sure you can screw the thingy back, the little thing back on, which we're going to do here. So you just push it down and then you screw it. That's all you do. You push it down and then you screw it to make sure it's on there really well. So I don't know how many times you screw it. You just screw the bottom on, yeah, as you can see, a couple times just to make sure it's well on there, as you can see. Because of course it's going to be like a little gap right there still, but as long as it's, you know, you screw it and then you feel like, okay, this is on here good, like you can yank it and see it's not going to come off. I mean, you don't want to break it, but that's how you know when it's on there good. So don't freak out if you see this little gap right here. It's still screwed on good because I'm pulling it, like I'm trying to pull. As you can see, it's not going to come off unless I screw it off. So that's how you can tell this is really good. The only thing is, if it's not screwed on there good, it's wobbly. Like as you can see, like you see how wobbly? That's the only thing about not making sure it's tight down there. That's the only thing that, you know, twisting it to make sure it's tight. It's probably not going to be as tight as you want it to get tight, but it should get tight enough to where it's not doing all that wobbling. So like right now I'm trying to tighten it some more. It's not going to be tight like you probably like want it, but you know, tight enough to where it's not coming off or coming apart or anything like that. Just tight enough. I don't know how tight you can get it without unloosening it, but just like I said, tight enough to where it's not falling apart when you're trying to hold it, or when it's just standing up on your when it's just standing up like this. Like right now it's standing on my hand, but you could put this in your bathroom. If you have like a little end table or a little shelf, you could put it on your shelf. Because right now I got a shelf in my room and I am storing it on my shelf. So this is how you store it. Like I said, I'm just putting it on my hand. So you could store it like this on your shelf, in your bathroom counter, on your end table, just anywhere where you know you might use it every day. Like for me, you could put it in the bathroom. But for me, I prefer to keep it in my room because usually if I'm going in there, I'm just using it to get a quick glimpse of myself. So yeah, so this is a good, well-needed mirror. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think about this mirror? Would you want to get this mirror? I'm pretty sure it's on TikTok Shop and Amazon because I got this off of Amazon. So let me know down in the comments below. I could see myself, which is funny, in this mirror. Let me know down in the comments below. Would you get this mirror? What do you think about this mirror? Have you ever seen a mirror that lights up like this? And you'll know the batteries are dead because when you hit this button to turn on the light won't come on. Like the light still works. But you'll know when the batteries are dead, I guess, because when you get ready to hit that button to turn on the light, it won't turn on. So I'm assuming that's how you could tell when the batteries are dead. But just let me know down in the comments below. What do you think about this mirror? Would you recommend this mirror to somebody? Like if you didn't get this for yourself, would you recommend this little mirror to somebody? Like I said, it's compatible. It's easy use, easy put together. All you need is your batteries. And that's all it does. It provides everything that you see here. The both parts, the top and mirror part. The bottom part in the mirror, it comes in the box. So you don't have to provide nothing but batteries. So let me know down in the comments below, what would you think about this mirror? Would you rate this mirror to somebody that you know? If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and comment on my community post, my communities, okay, my Kaylin Cruz community, if you have any more questions.